Hello and welcome back to Aquarium Plant Index, the series where we help you get the most out of your aquascapes one plant at a time. And today we are going to be talking about Pogostemon deccanensis. Now this plant was formerly known as Pogostemon Erectus. So Pogostemon deccanensis is a stem plant and it is known for its bright green needle-like leaves that grow in dense upright clusters. Its growth habit is very vertical and symmetrical, and it's often used in the midground or background of tanks to create contrast and a sense of structure. So this plant is originally native to India, and Pogostemon deccanensis is usually found in marshy areas along riverbeds where it grows in nutrient-rich substrates under strong sunlight. And this habitat gives us some insight into its care needs in the aquarium. So in terms of difficulty, this plant is moderately demanding and therefore it's classed as a medium category plant, and it thrives in tanks with medium to high lighting and consistent CO2 injection. So without providing it with enough light, the stems can become leggy and you'll lose that beautiful compact growth that it's known for. CO2 and regular fertilisation help maintain its vivid green coloration and its healthy structure. So to plant Pogostemon deccanensis, you should space them out evenly in your substrate and use some aquascaping tweezers to insert the stems gently into the substrate, giving each one enough room to spread without overcrowding. And over time, you'll see that it will bush out nicely and it will create these dense clusters in your aquarium. Maintenance involves regular trimming to prevent the lower parts of the plant from becoming shaded and losing its leaves. When it grows too tall, it will get leggy, so if you just keep on top of trimming it, and then you can simply replant those tops and the healthy cuttings, and this will help maintain the plant's density and keep it looking fresh and vibrant. A little tip for this plant is to keep the flow gentle but consistent. Too much surface agitation or turbulence can cause the fine leaves to fray or break off, but too little and the plant might not get enough nutrients or CO2. But what a lot of people don't realise about this plant is that it also grows beautifully in its immersed form or its out of water form. So when it's grown like this, it's usually in humid environments like a terrarium or a paludarium, and it develops a slightly different leaf texture, but most impressively, it produces delicate purple flowers. And these small, almost lavender-like blooms emerge from the tips of the stems, and they really are stunning, and it's not quite what you'd expect from this plant when you look at it in its submerged form. So to grow this plant immersed, you'd still plant it in a nutrient-rich, moist substrate with good drainage, provide high humidity and warmth and plenty of indirect light. So terrariums and paludariums are absolutely great for this. and you can mist it regularly to prevent it from drying out. But once the root systems have established and they can transport water to various areas of the plant to its immersed parts, it won't require as much misting. But if you want to grow it in an aquarium and do something like a pond-style tank, then you can plant it under the water surface and then let it break the surface itself, and it will adapt to its out-of-water form and it will produce these purple flowers. It's also a good idea to mist it with like a Wabicusa spray or dew spray from To Our Aquarist. Pogostemon deccanensis is a fantastic choice if you're looking to add clean vertical lines and a bright contrast to your aquascape, especially when paired with broader leaved or red coloured plants. It brings a really unique texture to your layout, all while remaining fairly easy to manage once established. You can find this plant, Pogostemon deccanensis, and a full range of aquascaping essentials right here at Horizon Aquatics, online and in store. If you found this episode helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss next week's episode of Aquarium Plant Index. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.